Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to unpackage drugs that you accidentally packaged and didn't realize that you wanted to put, like, in a jar or to mix again. And the simple answer is, all you have to do to unbag it is you go up to your packaging station, click on E to bring it back up, and then put it back in to the output slot. And you see this arrow that points over towards it that says package. All you have to do to unpackage it is click this to unpack, and then spam click the unpack button so that all of them are unpackaged again. And then boom, now you've got both your product and baggies that you can reuse. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been a brief look at how to unpack or unbag drugs inside of Schedule 1. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.